Namaste. Welcome to Enlighten. In this video, join with me to practice the meditation for some time. In this video, I am going to show you a simple and easy ways to meditate. Especially if you are a very beginner, to start the meditation, you have to follow the guided meditation what we are going to do in this video. Guided meditation is nothing but following someone's voice to meditate rather than practicing by yourself, especially recommended for the beginners. To practice the meditation, you have to follow some simple rules. Just choose a place to sit where you are not getting distracted with any sounds or any. Then sit in a comfortable sitting position. If you want to stretch your legs straight while sitting, or you want to take the support of wall, you can just make yourself comfortable in a sitting position. And third thing is, don't practice the meditation after taking the meals. And try to give a simple stretches to your body just for 3 to 5 minutes before start the meditation, which makes you feel good. You can practice this meditation in the morning hours or in the evening or before going to bed. Yeah, let's start the meditation. Come on to the mat. Make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Inhale, stretch your head to back. Feel the stretch at your neck and upper chest region. And exhale, down. Inhale, head to back. At every moment, feel the stretch. Do it very slowly. Be in a meditation mode. Exhale to down. Inhale to back. And exhale to down. Move your head to sides, to right, center, to left, center. Synchronize the breath each and every moment. Inhale while turning your head to side, and exhale while coming to center. Exhale to center. Inhale to right. Exhale to center. Now bend your head to sides. Try to look at the ceiling from the corner of your eyes. Synchronize the breath each and every moment. Do it very comfortably. Take the semicircles. Inhale to back and exhale while coming forward. Repeat the same on other side. Do it gently. Now roll your shoulders. Take the shoulder rotations nicely. Observe your shoulder joints. Front to back and back to front. After that, take the wrist rotations inward to outward by stretching your hands to sides, and outward to inward by stretching your hands to front. If you are going to practice the meditation in the night before going to bed, you can just do the neck and shoulder movements and go for the meditation. But if you are doing in the morning hours, you have to do the joint rotations of the complete body and then only start the meditation. Then waist rotations, bend forward and move your body. Inhale to back and exhale while coming forward. Relax your back muscles. If there is any stiffness in your back, relax yourself with this simple movement. Do the same in reverse direction. Inhale to back and exhale while coming forward. Hold your knees nicely. Inhale to back and exhale to come forward. Twist your body. Place the left palm on the right knee and turn to right with inhale and exhale to center, and place the right palm on the left knee and turn your body to left with inhale and exhale while coming to center. Twist very nicely. Come to Dandasana. Straighten your legs. Take the ankle movements. Toes inward and outward. Inward and outward. Crunch your toes. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Each and every nerve in your body is connected to your foot. So crunch your toes. Do it very nicely. And toes falling to sides and in. Falling to sides and in. Again, bring your both foot together. Take ankle rotations from left to right 3 rounds and right to left 3 rounds. Synchronize each and every movement with the breath. You can place your palms beside your thighs or on your legs according to your comfort. But synchronize each and every movement with the breath. Now fold your legs. Come to Sukhasana. Keep your spine straight. Make yourself comfortable. Palms open to the sky, placed on your knees. Close your eyes slowly and take one deep and comfortable breath. Bring your attention towards your Ajna Chakra, that is your eyebrow point. Keeping your attention on your eyebrow center, let us do a Bhramari Pranayama. Practicing of this pranayama will give a soothing effect on your mind and relieves the tension and anxiety from your mind and body. Keep your thumbs on the ears and index finger above the eyebrow and middle and ring finger on the eyes and little finger touching to the nostrils. Now take a deep breath in and with exhale make the sound of Makara. If you're feeling any pain in your hands, or if you want, you can just drop your hands down and can also continue this pranayama. By practicing Bhramari Pranayama, you bring your mind to a meditative state and it improves the functioning of the brain. You may feel that sensation of some neurons get activated in your brain. Just observe that sensation for a few seconds. Take a deep and comfortable breath by observing the sensations passing in your head. Take a deep breath in and breathe out very slowly. Breathe in and breathe out very slowly. Follow my instructions clearly. Observe your mind, how pleasant it is now. Observe. When you are trying to observe your mind, you may feel some thoughts are entering into your mind. Don't feel bad or don't get distracted. It's quite normal. Just try to observe the thoughts, how they are coming into your mind. Just try to observe them. with a comfortable breath. Now the thoughts may disappearing slowly. Just watch the complete process with a comfortable breath. By keeping a gentle smile on your face. Now observe your nostrils. Take a deep breath in comfortably and breathe out. Observe your nostrils. Observe your nostrils. How the breath is in and out. Just observe your nostrils. Your breath should be slow and deep. Observe. Now observe your throat. How the breath is in and out. Just observe your throat. Your breath should be deep and very slow. Hissing sound రాకుండా నిదానంగా ఉండాలి. At the same time, it should be lengthy. Now observe your chest region. Observe your chest, how the breath in and out. Take a deep and comfortable breath. Observe your lungs. Observe. If you are a very beginner, you may feel distracted to my words, but don't bother about that. It's quite normal. Again, keep trying to come back to my words and observe yourself and observe your breath. Now observe your stomach, how your stomach is contracted with the breath. Breathe in full of your stomach and exhale, stomach completely down. Do it nicely. Do it with comfortness. Keep observing your stomach for few more breaths. Again, observe your Sahasrara chakra, that is crown of the head. Observe your mind. Keep observing your top of the head for few seconds with a comfortable breath. Your breath should be very slow and deep. Now observe the comfortable breath without any much efforts. Continue the deep breath with a comfortness. Now observe your facial muscles and lips. Observe with a comfortable breath. Observe with a comfortable breath. Again, Observe your mind. Observe your mind. With a comfortable breath. Now try to observe your surroundings by keep closing your eyes. Try to observe your surroundings. Try to catch up each and every minute sound around you. Try to listen to the sounds. Try to catch up each and every minute sound. Keep more focus on your ears. Listen to the sounds around you. Energize your sense organs. Continue the comfortable breaths. Observe your mind. Now observe your eyes. Observe your eyes with a comfortable breath. With every breath, feel yourself that you are giving energy to your eyes. Continue the comfortable breaths. Now slowly move your head. Turn your head to sides very slowly and up and down. Everything with a comfortness. Do it very slowly. Observe your neck muscles once. And after you're feeling comfortable, if you can, join your palms in front of the chest. Trayambakam yajamahi sugandhim pushtivardhanam Vurvarukamiva bandhanan mrityurmukshiya mamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms. Keep the warmth on your face and look at your palms first. And while practicing the meditation, if you are feeling that your body is moving or some thoughts are entering into your mind, those are quite normal. Don't worry about that. And the best time to practice the meditation is in the morning hours, early morning hours or evening or before going to bed. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please click on the like button. And if you want to communicate with me about anything, just keep it in that comment section. And thank you for joining with me. Meet you in the next video. Namaste.